Hi, Circuit Riders. Well, it's Saturday in Northern Maine in early September, and we are enjoying all that small town life up here has to offer. We are starting our day at a little winery that's not too far from our land. We just did a little tasting, and this is such a gorgeous setting. It's a beautiful, warm day, and we've got some other things planned today, so come along with us.
It's like, she just, yeah. Wow.
Just a quick pit stop to drop off our cans. We've been saving all of our cans, and we like to stop here at Cedar's Variety because it's a cute little variety shop. There's a bunch of these dotted around this area, and we like to support them.
Hey, they let dualies in there too.
This is only a Chevy GMC show, though, right? Driven about an hour west of Holton to the little town of Shin, and they're having a Squarebody truck rally today. It's only highlighting Chevy and GMC trucks, but it's just another example of a small town activity that you can do up here in the countryside, Northern Maine. And Jason and I were talking about how there's different levels of activities to do. You've got your national things, right? The national parks and national monuments, beautiful big houses and things like that we love to do. And then you've got some smaller state things, the state capitals we've been really enjoying,
but
state parks.
But there's always something at all those different scales, including very local. And so this is we
really enjoy the little local things, small museums, classic car and truck rallies, little, band in the park kind of things, farmers markets. And so
there's a lot of
Northern
people
Maine
here
is
at this.
full of those kind of things. think our dually would make it through there?
I do. I just wouldn't want to do it.
Well, we can't do it. We're Ford.
Yeah.
We can't do it today.
Wrong denomination. I believe this is the Penobscot River.
Yes, it is. Penobscot River. So this area is labeled as the Katahdin Water and Woods National Monument, but we're not sure. We haven't seen any national monument signage or plaques.
I think the land itself is the monument.
Yeah, it's just the land itself. Part of this Katahdin Loop Road is a snowmobile trail, and I see that there's a little advertisement for a bar and grill up here that's actually where we're on our way to in Millinocket, Maine, but it's nice that they also advertise on the snowmobile trails. Oh, we just took a little scenic drive after we left Shin Pond. We found this thing on the map called the Katahdin Loop Road. We were trying to see how close we could get to Katahdin Mountain, but of course it's inside of Baxter State Park, which is a paid, entry. But we drove on this little dirt road called the Katahdin Loop Road that kind of skirts the edge of Baxter Park, and it was just a nice little scenic drive. It even has signs that say it's a Katahdin Wooded Waters National Monument. And so I thought that would mean that there was like some plaque or something to read, but we didn't see anything. It's just the nature and landscape is the national monument, which was a little bit different for me. So we've come out of there now, and now we're in the little town of Millinocket, Maine, which we've never been to before, but it's about 90 minutes from our land. And we're stopping over here at the Sawmill Bar and Grill for some dinner. The sun is just setting. So we've had a great day out at just tooling around little town and countryside Maine. So thanks for coming along with us, and I hope you have a great week. See you next time. Bye, guys.
Yeah, that'd be good. Thanks.